I remember a time when I used to create stories in my mind about what somebody thought, what they felt about me, or how they felt about me. And I never went to the source and asked them specific questions. I would just assume. And then I would deal with paranoia, thinking that whatever my insecurities were, everybody picked up on them. And that was a very dark place for me, because I learned later on that a lot of the stories that I had made up about people and what they thought about me and what they felt about me wasn't true. And I missed out on some relationships and potential, opportunities for me to grow, because I was so much in my head about people, being out to get me, that I isolated myself and I stayed away. And so I just want to encourage you this morning to deal with facts. When it comes to your feelings, they are fickle. Feelings are feelings. Facts are facts. Okay? More importantly, deal in discernment, what you feel in your spirit. Don't allow yourself to play things in your mind that have not even happened, or don't even exist, or that you don't even know the truth about. Go to the source. Stop assuming things. Get the facts and move forward with that information. Don't sit and torture yourself.